Okay, good day, everyone. Okay, I think someone just dropped an issue on the group that I think that person has been having recurrence of that same issue sometime concerning Autodesk Keygen extraction. Understand? He has successfully installed his Revit, but trying to crack his Revit now, he needs Autodesk Keygen because that's where he's going to be able to paste his request code to generate his activation code that will be used for the cracking. Okay, so simply here we go. So I will simply come to where head on to where you have your Autodesk Keygen installed. Okay, downloaded from your Telegram. Okay, mine is here, right here. Okay, this red, green, and blue folder right here. Okay, remember before you extract, before you have access to extraction. Okay, you need to ensure you have installed your WinRAR on your PC. Please don't forget that your WinRAR has to be installed on your PC. So as your WinRAR is installed and your Wi-Fi is disconnected, okay, so you head on to your extraction. So you have your file here. First, what to do is you right click on your mouse. Okay, once you right click, you see these options pop up right here. So you can see some of you might have option of extract on its own. Some of you might have the same thing I'm having here, which is just WinRAR, and to take me to here. Okay, so some of you may also have different color of your icon. Mine is in light blue. Some people might have this color of their file here showing as their extraction WinRAR icon. Okay, so mine is not showing that, mine is showing this. So don't think when yours is showing this there's an issue. Okay, so simply what you just do here is come down to this arrow here, you come in here. So what you basically do is what you click on what extract here. Okay, click on it and it will show you and ask for a password. This is what's asking for a password. So the password for extraction is soft98 dot ir. So come again, soft98 dot what ir. Please take note of it. So you paste, and because I already have it already on my PC, so it's asking me for this. But yours, if you don't have it before, it's not going to ask. It's simply going to extract immediately. Okay, so I'll click yes to all, and it's successfully extracted within a millisecond. Okay, so you can see it. I have it right here. So right click here, and it will show you this. I'm not using Max, I'm using a window, isn't it? So I'll come head on here and I will see. Remember, is this one is not 86 bits, we're using the 64 bit. Okay, so what you do is right click and run as an administrator. Run as what? Administrator, please. So you run as an administrator here. This click on yes, then it will pop up with that sound. So when you have that sound popping up, what you simply need to do is what? You just paste your request code here. So once you have your request code pasted here on your listing on your Xforce or your Keygen, you paste it on this place right here. So you click on what patch. As you click patch, it's going to show you what successfully patched. Because I don't have a request code pasted here, you see you can only apply patch when license screen appears already patched. You understand? So this is what you're showing now, because why? I don't have my request code pasted here. My Revit is already installed on my PC. I already have it already. Okay, for those that are having issue, that's why I'm creating this video. Okay, so you paste your request code here, click on patch, and it will show you what successfully patched. Okay, so you click on what generate, and once it generates a code for you, let me see if it worked. Okay, so this code is completely rubbish on mine because there's no request code, it's just generating something else for me. Okay, so you copy your request code completely, Ctrl C, or you once you copy it, you highlight everything, you click Ctrl C, or you right click and click on what copy. Once you click on copy, you go and paste it on the menu on your what crack folder, or I mean your crack interface for your Revit. Okay, and click on next, and to show you what successfully activated, which is very simple. Okay, very simple. Please ensure you go through this video over and over again to avoid any further discrepancies or any further issues concerning the extraction of your Autodesk Keygen. So please ensure you watch this video, and thank you very much. Don't hesitate to ask any question when you have any questions. Okay, thank you.